guys, my name is Latiba. If you are sticking with us in this part of the video, we've been discussing how to market in your community. And one of the ways that I market in my community is doing a sponsorship. Basically, what is a sponsorship is that you find an event that needs help and you offer to sponsor the event. You can offer to do so with your services or with a physical product. In this case, I will be offering my services to my kids' school. And what was the exchange for that? We talked about it earlier as well. The exchange is I get to put all of my business cards in their giveaway bags, and I can help them in exchange to make a column and an arch. So let's get started in making this column. First thing we're gonna do is open up the balloons that they provided their balloons. Like I said, in this case, I'm providing the actual service. I'm not providing the balloons. So the school provides the balloons. Fingers crossed, Amazon balloons, as we know, is a hit or a miss. They do have some good balloons, but it's a hit or a miss. So let's just go ahead and see what we can do with this. What I'm gonna need is my sizer, which I have here. You guys know this is a love-and-hate relationship with this sizer. We are going to go ahead and use, I like the 7-inch, which is right here. I'll give the 8-inch, let's give the 8-inch a try, okay? Tie our balloons. I usually take one balloon and put it on my opposite side. Take the other balloon, put it on my opposite side and stretch. I release one, which is this side, and wrap and simply tie. Tie once if you like, but whenever I'm doing something with Amazon balloons, I always tie twice. So let's start combining our clusters and see how this is gonna work. So it's gonna be 2 pinks and a silver or a confetti. All right. So far, I've been trying to figure out how to work this packet. Like I said, it literally came with 5 pieces of silver and some foil silver, clear balloons with silver confettis, and then it came with a lot of pink and a lot of white, ivory or white. So what we're doing right now is, when time to design, we're going to alternate the colors, which I'm going to show you. But for now, in order to get that pattern the way we would like it to sit, what I'm doing is I'm doing a confetti or silver paired with a white, a silver paired with a white, 2 pinks paired together, 2 pinks paired together. So that is the tip. Confetti balloon, white, silver balloon, white, confetti and white, silver and white, and pinks will be paired together. So this way, when I'm blowing up my balloons, I'm no longer thinking about it. I'm simply grabbing and blowing. We had an earlier video where I showed you how to combine your clusters. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you again. So this is a pair, this is a pair. In order to make a quad, you take pair A, pair B, slide them into each other where the neck meet, twist any 2 balloon that came from the opposite pair that you found, okay? So let's do that again. Cluster A, cluster B. We know cluster B is pink. Push it into each other. Take one pink and one silver and twist it with each other. That's it. All right, now that we have a little bit of balloon, let's go ahead and get rid of the mess on the floor. I'm just gonna put this up here because it's easy. As you know, in order to create that sparrow, you're gonna need to set your balloon up like so. One after the other is what gave you that single sparrow line. If you want a double sparrow, you're gonna need to put the pink next to the pink and keep it that way as you put it onto the cluster. Given the colors that we're using, and we know we're alternating them with a confetti balloon, I'm gonna go with this design. Whenever you put your balloon on, do not forget to push down. Set my cluster up like so, slide it in, push down. The great thing with this, you can always play it with where you want your balloon to position itself. So I'm gonna, as you can see, I'm doing all of my silver at the bottom, and then I'm gonna do all of my confettis at the top. Push down. So now you have that beautiful sparrow going around. We have one more silver. We're gonna pair with the white. What you see me doing here is simply rounding up my balloon so it doesn't have that pear shape. And then I'm measuring it. Releasing air makes it a bit softer, so it makes it a little bit hard to pop. We're tying. Round, measure, tie. Now that we have that, we're going to start with the silver. I'm going to do whatever it takes to make sure these silver balloons does not pop on me. I like that. Let's add one more silver. I like that a lot, actually. It's different. So now that we're at the top, we're actually gonna take a balloon and put it on here to make it have a grip, so that our final balloon is not slipping and sliding. And this is our column, guys. As you know, every column needs a topper. The question that I'm gonna get next is, how do you put your topper onto your column? This is how I do it. I get a 260 that I cut in half. I simply wrap it around. Like so. Like so. And that's how I'm gonna go ahead and add it to this column. Let's come a little bit here. Take one of each side. Make sure comes down just like so. And simply start to wrap. And that's it. Now we have a 6-foot column, because I'm 5 foot, so when I did this, we was about the same height. The topper give it an extra foot, so therefore you now have a 6-foot column that's ready to be transported. I'm gonna go ahead and make the second one, and I'll show you guys right before we get started with the art. Voila! This baby, before the topper, was 5 feet. After the topper, she is now 6 foot tall. So always remember to include your topper when you're giving a height size to your client. Bye!